passing predator, even the slow crawl of crustaceans across coral stone. But the crystal formations add a surprising twist. Metal-rich mineral deposits can interfere with subtle electrical signals in the water. In a sense, these bismuth-like metallic structures create regions where signals distort or disappear. For predators, this can make hunting more difficult. For prey, it may offer a strange kind of protection, which raises a fascinating question. Could these mineral gardens actually shape how deep-sea animals evolve their senses? Scientists are only beginning to explore this possibility. In shallow seas, inflation is primarily a defense against predators. But in the deep ocean, the strategy may serve another purpose. The extreme condition here is hydrothermal vents and mineral chimneys constantly shift and collapse as superheated water flows through cracks in the Earth's crust. Sudden bursts of current can sweep animals into dangerous zones. A deep-sea pufferfish can inflate not only to appear larger, but too. By expanding its body and adjusting the amount of water it holds, the fish can slow its descent or drift upward slightly, avoiding jagged coral ridges or unstable mineral spires. It becomes, in a way, a living flotation device navigating a geological maze. Yet this adaptation carries risks. Inflation requires energy, and in the deep sea, energy is precious, which raises another mystery. How often do these fish actually inflate in their natural habitat? Direct observations are extremely rare. The deep ocean keeps its secrets well. Some marine biologists suspect that the mineral coatings occasionally found on deep-sea fish may serve as an unusual form of camouflage. In the dim glow of hydrothermal vents, surfaces reflect faint thermal light and chemical luminescence. A fish whose skin collects mineral grains might break up its outline against the glittering seafloor. Instead of looking like a living animal, it resembles just another fragment of crystal-covered coral. If true, this would represent a remarkable interaction between biology and geology, an animal literally wearing the landscape as disguise. But proving this theory is extremely difficult. Studying creatures thousands of meters underwater requires remotely operated vehicles, robotic cameras, and rare moments of encounter. Even then, many animals disappear into the dark before scientists can observe their behavior. What we've discovered so far may only be the surface of something far more complex. The ocean floor is not static. Mineral deposits grow slowly over decades, sometimes centuries. Entire crystal fields can rise and collapse as tectonic forces reshape the seafloor. And animals living here must constantly adapt to a world that is quietly rebuilding itself. For the deep-sea pufferfish, survival may depend not just on biological evolution, but on an ongoing relationship with the minerals around it. A living organism navigating a geological landscape that changes on timescales far beyond its own life. And that leads to a larger question. How many species in the deep ocean are shaped, not just by predators or food, but by the chemistry of the Earth itself? The answer remains largely unknown, because despite centuries of exploration, we have mapped only a small fraction of the seafloor. Somewhere in the darkness, between coral skeletons and crystal towers, a puffer fish drifts silently through the mineral gardens of the deep, its skin dusted with fragments of stone, its body adapted to pressure, darkness, and scarcity. A small creature, navigating one of the most extreme environments on our planet. And yet the truth is humbling. For every deep-sea animal we have seen, there may be thousands we have not. Entire ecosystems still hidden beneath kilometers of water. Worlds where biology and geology intertwine in ways we are only beginning to imagine. The deeper we explore, the stranger the ocean becomes. And the more we realize just how little of our own planet we truly understand.